The most realistic performance benchmark is undoubtedly 0 to 60, but top speed, the most extreme, balls-to-the-wall statistic a supercar can have, is the best overall ranking component. Supercars are the most expensive class of automobiles and are built with speed in mind. Hypercars, which are presented at the top of the performance car food chain, are also included in this. It should come as no surprise that the exclusivity and state-of-the-art technology that go with these cars demand a high price, not to mention that the majority of these vehicles see an increase in worth over time. These are the top 9 most expensive supercars you can presently purchase in light of that. Number 9. SP Automotive Chaos, $14.4 million. Surprisingly, one of the priciest and most distinctively designed supercars originates from Greece. It would be an oversimplification to refer to the SP Automotive Chaos as a supercar or a hypercar, since it is purported first ultra vehicle. The pandemic severely disrupted many of the preparations for the car's 2021 Geneva Auto Show debut. The Greek high-performance vehicle is reportedly equipped with a 4.0-liter V10 with up to 3,000 horsepower and several technical innovations that will change the game. For the top-of-the-line model, which will cost $14.4 million, figures like a 1.8-second 0 to 60 mph time and a 310 mph maximum speed are being quoted for only $6.4 million. A 2,000 horsepower variant will also be made available. Number 8. The Bugatti Centodieci, $9.0 million. Romano Artioli's Bugatti EB110 served as inspiration for the Chiron, which Bugatti unveiled in 2022 to commemorate the company's 110th anniversary. The 2022 Centodieci's neo-retro style was inspired by the S versions, which celebrated the 110th birthday of Ettore Bugatti. The Italian word Centodieci, which translates to 110, was only intended for 10 instances, each of which cost $9 million. The quad-turbo W16 generates 1,180 pound-feet of torque and 1,578 horsepower. The time from 0 to 60 miles per hour is 2.3 seconds. Only 10 units of the Centodieci will be produced, each with a price tag of around $9 million. All 10 units were sold out shortly after the car's unveiling, making it one of the most exclusive and sought-after hypercars in the world. Number 7. The Mercedes CLK GTR, $8.5 million. In just 128 days, Mercedes and AMG had to homologate a race car for the FIA GT Championship. They miraculously accomplished this accomplishment, and 25 road-going models had to be constructed by FIA regulations. 20 coupes and 5 roadsters of the road-going variant were the final product. Depending on the version, an M297 V12 engine with a displacement of 6.8 to 7.3 liters produced power varying from 604 to 711 horsepower, 450 to 530 kilowatts, and 539 to 580 pound-feet. A perfect specimen would reportedly sell today for $8.5 million. Number 6. The Maybach Exelero, $8.0 million. The Maybach Exelero is a one-off, high-performance sports car made by German manufacturer Maybach Motorenbau GmbH, a subsidiary of Daimler Chrysler. The Exelero was commissioned by Goodyear in 2004 to test its new high-speed tires. The car is powered by a twin-turbo V12 engine producing 700 horsepower and has a top speed of 218 miles per hour. The Exelero is valued at around $8 million and is considered one of the most expensive cars ever made. To try high-performance tires, Goodyear's subsidiary Fulda ordered the car. A Maybach 57 served as the foundation for the Exelero, which in turn was inspired by the W140 S-Class. The one-off illustration appeared among other places in a Jay-Z music video and the German television program Cobra 11. Number 5. Pagani Codalunga, $7.4 million. In 2022, the Italian automaker Pagani decided to release a long-tail Huayra in honor of vintage racing vehicles like the Porsche 917. Only 5 of them, each selling for $7.4 million, are known as the Codalunga. It's Italian for long tail. The well-known 6.0-liter twin-turbo AMG V12 provides power. It generates 840 horsepower and 811 pound-feet of torque here. Power is sent to the back wheels through a 7-speed sequential transmission, as it is with all Huayra variations. Pagani Codalunga is a supercar manufactured by Pagani Automobili S.p.A. Only one Codalunga was ever produced, making it a true collector's item for car enthusiasts. Number 4. The Bugatti Chiron, $3.6 million. The Chiron was created by Bugatti as a replacement for the Veyron Supersport, which had already broken numerous world records. The Veyron's 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine is carried over in the Chiron, but it has been modified to generate more power. However, this is the intriguing portion. The Bugatti Chiron's 261 mph maximum speed is electronically constrained for safety reasons. Simply stated, no one has created a tire that can withstand speeds higher than 280 mph. Although Michelin claims to be working on it, don't anticipate peak speeds to exceed 280 mph until tire technology can keep up. So how quickly can the Chiron travel? The speedometer can reach 500 km/h, but no one can say for sure. We're just going to fudge it a little bit and assume that the Chiron is faster because the significantly less powerful Veyron SS below reached over 268 mph with the speed limiter removed. Number 3. The Hennessey Venom F5 Roadster, $3 million. Hennessey Special Vehicles, which is a Texas-based tuner that specializes in modifying and upgrading high-performance vehicles. The Venom F5 Roadster is based on the existing Hennessey Venom F5, which is a hypercar that was unveiled in 2017. The Hennessey Venom F5 Roadster is an even more exclusive version of the Venom F5 with only 24 units planned for production. It features a powerful V8 engine that is capable of producing up to 1,817 horsepower and 1,193 pound-feet of torque, which allows it to achieve a top speed of over 310 mph. The car also features a lightweight carbon fiber body and advanced aerodynamics which help to improve its speed and handling. As of 2023, the price of the Hennessey Venom F5 Roadster is estimated to be around $3 million, which makes it one of the most expensive cars in the world. The high price tag is largely due to the car's limited production run, advanced engineering, and high-performance capabilities, which make it a highly sought-after vehicle among wealthy car enthusiasts and collectors. Number 2, an honorable mention, the Ferrari Enzo, $2.87 million. The Ferrari Enzo is a limited edition supercar that was produced by Ferrari. The car was named after the company's founder, Enzo Ferrari, and it was designed as a showcase of Ferrari's latest technology and engineering expertise. The Ferrari Enzo features a powerful, naturally aspirated V12 engine that produces 660 horsepower and 485 pound-feet of torque, which allows it to accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.3 seconds, with a top speed of around 217 mph. The car also features a lightweight carbon fiber body and advanced aerodynamics which help to improve its speed and handling. In 2023, the price of the Ferrari Enzo is estimated to be around $3 million, which makes it one of the most expensive and highly sought-after cars in the world. The high price tag is largely due to the car's limited production run, advanced engineering, and historical significance as one of the most iconic supercars of all time. Only 399 units were ever produced, which makes the Ferrari Enzo a highly coveted collector's item among wealthy car enthusiasts. Number 1. The SSC Tuatara, $1.6 million. SSC's Tuatara has been in the news at least since 2011. The Tuatara, produced by American supercar manufacturer SSC, formerly Shelby Supercars, unrelated to Carroll Shelby, not only outperformed the next quickest supercar on the list, but destroyed it, or salt flats as it were. By recording an average run of 316.11 miles per hour on October 10, 2020, the SSC Tuatara was able to establish itself as the fastest production car in the world and become the first to cross the 500 kilometers per hour mark. However, it appears that the record wasn't legitimate. So in January 2021, they performed another run and formally set the record at 282.9 miles per hour. The twin-turbocharged 5.9-liter V8 in the SSC Tuatara generates 1,350 horsepower when running on 91-octane petroleum and 1,750 horsepower when using E85 fuel. Thank you for exploring the world of supercars and hypercars with me. These high-performance vehicles represent the pinnacle of automotive engineering and design, and they continue to captivate car enthusiasts around the world with their speed, power, and exclusivity. While they may be out of reach for most of us, they are still fascinating machines that push the boundaries of what's possible in the world of automotive technology. Hit subscribe, like, and share now.